Today I will show you how to create this animation video. Let's start. Go to Canva, choose the project and background color. Change the background color and type basketball 2 times. Then change the font to Anthem. Increase the size of the text. Duplicate it and scroll down the bottom side of the slide. Then go to animation. Select baseline. Select baseline, speed minimum, this direction, choose under text, then also baseline and opposite side, decrease the speed of the text. Then upload your photo or video. As you want. Resize the video to fit the canvas. Align it to the middle of the page, then duplicate it. Then go to layer, show layers. Make sure the video up the text. First video drag down, second video also drag down. Second video little bit crop from the bottom to middle. Then first video crop the upper side of the video, same as bottom video. Select first video, then go to animate. Choose this one. Decrease the speed, direction upward. Then the second video, wipe, direction downward and decrease the speed of the video, speed of the animation. Then go to the text and choose text and write basketball. Then go to the font and change the font and also change the color. Go to animation, choose spread, decrease the speed and in or out as you wish. Decrease the timing of the text. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching.